In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text stand out by applying bold formatting in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet effective way to emphasize specific words or phrases in your document, drawing the reader's eye to important information quickly. Now, let's dive right into the process of how you can achieve this. To start, open the document in which you're working. You can either work with a blank document if you're getting to know the word processor, or one that's already filled with content if specific text needs highlighting. Once your document is open, use your mouse or trackpad to navigate to the text you wish to emphasize. Click and drag your cursor across it. You'll notice that as you select the portion of text, it will become highlighted. This highlights that the selection is active and ready for modification. Now, with your text selected, look to the top of your screen, where you'll find various tabs that contain different sets of tools. You'll want to be on the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the formatting options you'll need day to day. Within the Home tab, focus your attention on the Font group. Here, you'll see a collection of icons representing various text formatting choices. The bold option, represented by a stylized B, is what we're interested in. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you click, watch as your selected text transforms, becoming bold and visibly more striking. Alternatively, if speed and efficiency are your goals, keyboard shortcuts are a fantastic way to achieve the same result. If you're using a Windows computer, simply hold down the Control key and press B. For Mac users, it's equally straightforward. Hold down the Command key and tap B. Both these shortcuts toggle the bold formatting on and off, making them easy options for when you want to emphasize text without lifting your hands from the keyboard. If you ever need to remove the bold formatting, merely repeat the same process. Click on the bold icon again or use the shortcut, and the text will revert to its normal weight. It's just as simple to unbold text as it is to bold it. Remember, bolding is a stylistic choice meant to highlight important information. Balance is key. Overusing it can make your document look busy and noisy. So, there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply bold formatting to your text in Microsoft Word using both your mouse and keyboard shortcuts. With these skills, you're well on your way to creating documents that not only communicate effectively, but look professional and polished. As always, practice is your best friend, so give these techniques a try, and you'll soon find them second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.